Dictator door dampers put an end to slamming doors. The R1400 door damper is designed for installation on the push side of the door. The hook is usually installed directly in the corner of the door frame. If vertical installation is not possible, it can also be installed horizontally. The R1400 is available in different finishes as well as in stainless steel. Depending on the door and installation position, there are door dampers with different spring forces. More information on all Dictator products is available at www.dictator.com.